These are the buildings, the residential buildings people are living. As you can see, we live the it's a windy weather, and I like that. From 2 days we don't have any rain, so the weather is kind of hot. In Malaysia you should have rain, and because the weather is not that good, in front of me is a Gawala food. It is one of the big Deshi restaurant. You can see the green board, and that's a main road where we have to go. So yeah, these are the streets, like streets but wide enough for our cars to roam around. And some garbage collector, they have very good price here. This is a good business, garbage collecting. So these are the everyday lives, like people are living and working here. Economic situation isn't that good as it was before, you see. And so people are just doing the stuff. A lot of there are immigrants which are kind of illegal as well, from neighboring countries like Indonesia especially. So yes, we have reached a main road, and there are some Arab refugees as well. Some into the vehicles, to the car, to the traffic. But there, so now I'm going to end this video, and these are the pigeons, these beautiful pigeons, as you can see.